In this video, we'll take a look at the latest updates YouTube has released for creators this month and how you can start using these new features on your channel. First, YouTube has introduced a new account status page in the YouTube Studio mobile app. This page gives you a quick overview of your channel's health, including copyright alerts, community guidelines strikes, and monetization status. To access it, open YouTube Studio, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Account Status. Next, YouTube has launched live countdown stickers. These stickers help build excitement during live streams by counting down to a special moment or announcement. While setting up a live stream, tap the stickers icon, select Countdown, choose a color, add a title, set the timer, and place the sticker wherever you want on the screen. YouTube has also expanded Shorts Remix with a new feature called Reimagine. To use it, tap the Remix button on a short and select Reimagine. Enter your idea, choose a suggested prompt if needed, and even add reference images. YouTube will generate a preview that you can edit before publishing. Another new addition is Unique Reach, a metric that estimates how many individual viewers have seen your content. This helps creators better understand their audience size and provide useful data when working with brands. You can find this metric in YouTube Studio Analytics under Advanced Mode. Ask Studio now includes conversation history, allowing creators to revisit previous chats, insights, and analytics summaries. Simply open Ask Studio and tap the menu icon to view your past conversations. Finally, YouTube is expanding gifts and jewels to more countries. Viewers can purchase jewels and use them to send gifts during live streams, while creators earn rubies based on the gifts received. To enable this feature, visit the Earn section in YouTube Studio, accept the Virtual Items module, and turn on gifts for your live streams. Those are the latest creator updates from YouTube. Be sure to explore these new tools and features to get the most out of your channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creator tips and updates. See you in the next video.